Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for customer segmentation. This tool can help you analyze and categorize your customers into different segments based on their behavior and preferences. So let's dive in. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply selecting the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner. Now select API section which is on the top right section. Now here select docs and after that select get started. Now here on this page you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's customer segmentation features. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your customer data analysis system by configuring it to handle customer data inputs and perform segmentation tasks. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now prepare your customer data by collecting relevant information such as purchase history, browsing behavior, and demographic details. Format the data for analysis. Now use the Perplexity AI API to analyze the customer data and identify distinct segments based on patterns and similarities. The API will help you group customers into segments that share common characteristics. Implement the necessary code to integrate this functionality into your system. Now test the customer segmentation process with your data to ensure the API accurately categorizes customers into meaningful segments. Adjust the model and settings based on the test results for improved segmentation. Now monitor the performance of your customer segmentation system and make improvements based on feedback and evolving needs. Now deploy your customer segmentation solution into your production environment, ensuring it effectively groups customers and provides valuable insights for your marketing and sales strategies. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to perform customer segmentation, helping you target and engage different customer groups more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.